Is it normal for stubborn clogs to take 40 or more plunges to remove? When you face a persistent toilet or drain clog, understand that patience and proper technique matter more than brute force. Start by creating a tight seal with a flange plunger for toilets or a cup plunger for sinks, and push and pull using steady, increasing pressure while keeping the seal intact. Rapid jerks let air escape and reduce effectiveness. If plunging stalls, add hot water at about 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, poured carefully from waist height to help dissolve grease and soap buildup. Do not use boiling water on porcelain fixtures. Use a closet auger for toilets and a hand auger for sinks, feeding it slowly and rotating clockwise to hook and retrieve obstructions, then pull back gently to avoid pushing the clog deeper. Consider removing and cleaning the trap under sinks when accessible, wearing gloves and using a bucket to catch water, because many clogs sit right in that U-shaped bend. If you rely on chemical cleaners, choose enzyme-based products and follow label directions precisely. And never mix chemicals because reactions can produce toxic gases or damage pipes. The three most common issues are poor seal and technique, hidden debris beyond the visible trap, and overuse of chemicals that make matters worse. If you are not getting a seal, reposition the plunger, add a little water to cover the cup, and test again with slow initial strokes to re-establish suction. When the blockage is out of reach, switch to a manual auger and feed slowly while feeling for resistance so you can retrieve or break the clog rather than push it further. If chemical cleaners have been used repeatedly without success, flush the line thoroughly with water, ventilate the area, and then rely on mechanical means because chemicals can gelatinize certain wastes and make plunging ineffective. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for repair jobs and project estimates, and we provide a discussion community where people share real-world tips and experiences about issues like stubborn clogs. We make it easy for contractors to find work and for homeowners to learn practical approaches before hiring help.